Hi, my dear students. A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to the next session of our science class. I am Satish Kumar, your science teacher at Dr. BSN School. Children, in connection with the lesson, the voyage to the outer space, in the previous video, we have discussed about humans in space, isn't it? Before humans, space telescopes and space shuttles even traveled, satellites were launched into the space, and they used it to orbit around the Earth's surface to give different types of communications, weather reports, transformation of signals, all this takes place. And then even humans also entered into space. The first man to enter into space is, yes, he is none other than Yuri Gagarin or Yuri Gagarin. And the first woman to enter into space is Valentina Tereshkova. And then the natural satellite of Earth is nothing but the moon. Even humans were landed on the moon. Humans used to land on the moon. And this was takes place in the year 1969 through the spacecraft called Apollo 11, where three astronauts entered into the space, where we recall them as Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. So Neil Armstrong became the first person to step onto the moon. Then Buzz Aldrin. All these things we have discussed in the earlier video, the earlier class part. And also we discussed about Laika. That is the name of the dog that is sent into the space. So many things has been sent into the living things has been sent into the space with the help of spacecrafts. All these things we learnt in our previous video. Today, I am going to explain you about 10.5 part. 10 point. Everyone open your activity 10.5. Page number 114 studio book 10.5. Read the advertisement and fill in your details. Your advertisement has been given there and fill out the details. That is activity 10.5. The advertisement was headed as like this. Are you the one? Are you the one? This advertisement given by them. What was given? See, the world's leaders in the space exploration are seeking student volunteers. You read the advertisement carefully. The world's leaders in space exploration are seeking the student volunteers. This is an opportunity for the students to see the astronauts live in action. So we can see the astronauts live in action. This is an opportunity for the students. Did you have or do you have what it takes to join this program? So in order to join that program, you must have some qualifications. You must have some credentials to be there. What are they? Fill in the details and send it to us. Do you enjoy learning science? Do you enjoy learning science? Is asking always or sometimes, never. Do you enjoy learning science? If anyone asks me, then I say yes. For what? Yes. Forever I can say. I can say always. I want to learn science always. I will enjoy in learning science always. Dream about becoming a space scientist. Do you have a dream about becoming a space scientist? Do you have a dream in becoming as a space scientist? Do you have a dream? If so, yes. Do you dream about this always or sometimes or never? Put a tick mark in the relevant column. Come up with creative solutions to the problems. Come up with the creative solutions to the problem. So, if any problems came, do you come up with creative solutions for those problems when solving out those problems? Always, sometimes, or never. You have to relevant column. Finish every task that you take up. So whatever task has been posed to you, do you finish the task that you take up? However difficult it might be. So a task has been assigned to you. Do you complete the task under any circumstances? Do you want to do this always or sometimes or never? You have to fill this relevant columns. Then write your name. What do you think makes you perfect for this role? So if you feel, yes, sir, you have filled out these columns and I am trying to join in the space program and I want to see the astronauts in live. So you want to become as you are a student volunteer in space exploration part. Yes, if you want to do this, what do you think makes you perfect for this role? So if you feel yourself as, yes, I am the perfect one to do as a student volunteer in this particular program. So what do you think you have? How can you make yourself believe that yes, I can? What are the qualities you have to be selected as a student volunteer? Write down your response there. Next, activity 10B. I told you about this is nothing but the research of the life of an astronaut in space. So research the life of an astronaut in space. There's some questions given. I asked you to already to write down the responses for them. And then 10.6, look deep activity. ISRO is planning a new project to study and explore the planet Jupiter. See, humans have been exploring, inventing, discovering so many every day to day life. Every time you are going to find out something new, or even after some hours or days or years of time, because of the efforts put by the scientist, something new is going to be find out every day, or and with some or other time, or even odd times you can say you are going to find out something new or to discover something new. So the same way the ISRO is going to have a plan to study about the weather on the Jupiter and also want to get a sample from that planet and also want to get a sample from the planet. Are you following? Now, which device do you think they should use for this project? So, ISRO wants to study the weather or the climate of Jupiter and also want to collect from some samples from them. So what sort of device we use to do this particular project that is to be done by the ISRO? Why do you think you have so many options? So let us go to 10.6. You are having so many options. Which device do you think should use for this project? Yes, we use space probe. Space probe is the appropriate device because it is sent into the space to collect the data and the information from there. Describe the device. What is this device is about? Yes. A space probe is a device that is sent into space, that is sent into space for what? Spends into space to collect the information to collect the information about different components of space, about different components of space, about the different components of space, and it also orbit around the Jupiter planet. It may land on the Jupiter planet as it is going to collect the samples from it. This can be done by the space probe. That's why we suggest space probe is a perfect device to be sent into in space to study about the weather of Jupiter. Okay, now how do you think this device will help their information? Yes, how do you think? Yes, we know that space probes will send back information space probes will send back the information sent back the information about the atmosphere, about the atmosphere and weather weather conditions on Jupiter that will help the mission that will help the mission. So the mission of the ISRO is to learn about the weather on Jupiter and get a sample from the planet. So that which device you think they should use for this project? Which device we can use? Yes, that is space probe. What is space probe? Yes, the space probe is a device that is sent into space to collect information about the different components of space. And also I said about there are so many uses regarding the space probe. It may orbit, land on or fly past these components in order to collect the information. It also sends information that it collects back to the earth. Space probes also carry instruments which were used to study the atmosphere, or you can say in the composition of these components. And one more thing is they can make a one-way trip, or they may bring even samples from the space back to the earth. So because of these uses, this space probe has been suggested as a proper device to sent onto the Jupiter study about the weather of climate. And how do you think this device will help their information? It's very simple. Space probes, already we learnt about them. They can send back the information about the atmosphere and weather conditions on the Jupiter that will help their mission. Because of all these things, we can suggest this to collect the information, samples and the weather information about the Jupiter planet. Okay, my dear children. Next, okay, I hope you have written this. Next, my dear students, go to 10.7. If you look about 10.7 activity, this is set to be a home fun activity. Simply you can do it in the house with the help of your parents, or you can switching out anything. A time capsule. Have you ever heard this word? No. A time capsule is a container that stores objects or information representing the events of the present time. Representing the events of the present time. Time capsules may be buried, sealed in a box, or even shot into space to be discovered in the future. For example, you are going to write some events that were being taken place at current or in the past, you can say, and you record these items and keep it in a sealed box, and you may bury under the earth's surface, or you can send it into the space. So what happens? Some years after, maybe some 50, 100, 150 years after, someone may dig out this place where you buried out, and they can dig out the box, and they can know about us, how our lives have been gone, and the procedures, systems, and what are the things that we have followed. All these things can be known to by us. Like fossils, you know fossils? These are the impressions of the dead bodies, or the dead remnants, you can say. We can able to say the dinosaurs are huge. Even though there was no dinosaur on the earth's surface, but we can able to say its body structure, its way of movement, the food it can eat, the way it can move from one place to another, only because of the fossil fuels. Because no one has said about as dinosaurs. Because of the fossils of them, we can able to guess out this. In the same way, now we were asked to write down the current events that were taking place so that in future someone can able to know about us. Okay, my dear students, what do you call this capsule? Time capsule. It is a container that stores objects or the information representing the events of the present time. Time capsules may be buried, sealed in a box, or even shot into the space to be discovered in the future. This can be discovered in the future. Someone may observe that in the future, and they can able to know our current things happen. Now, write a message. Now, what you have to write down in this time capsule? Not what has it discovered. He has asked something to write in brief. Write a message to be sent into a time capsule to space that may be discovered by the people or the aliens in the future. We discussed about aliens. These are living things that may exist on any other planet like our human beings. Like we existed on the planet, same way, in any other planet, there may be a possibility of life. Research has been going on the planet Mars because of its climatic conditions and the frozen lake or river conditions. The scientists used to believe that there exists life in the past. They're going to research out the work. So they're not only on the Earth's surface, Earth's planet Earth, even in any part of the other galaxies in this universe, they might feel that life exists. And those living beings which will exist are to be known as aliens. You might have watched many movies regarding these aliens. You might remember the movie called Koi Mil Gaya. So Hindi movie, the Hrithik Roshan was a hero in that movie. He used to found one alien that came to his house because the spacecraft through which they traveled, it has started back to their home, leaving this alien out here. Okay, and accidentally it was taken place and it went to the home of the Hrithik Roshan house, and you can visit this. You can watch this movie, you can able to understand something regarding the alien. Of course, the alien may be dangerous, or they may be helpful to us, or they are more and more and more intelligent than us. We don't know about the aliens. So there are some other interesting things that we're having about aliens, and one more thing, that is UFO, unidentified flying object. No one knows from where it comes. There are some lot of stories and myths, folks behind this. We don't know which is correct. Anything is to be true means it must be proved on the basis of science. Science only should make it prove its existence and so on. So scientists believe that aliens used to live there. Maybe any of the other planet or solar system or even other galaxy also we can think out of. Now what you have to do? Note to the future inhabitants of the universe. That is heading to be done. Note to the future inhabitants of the universe. There are some points that you can describe. Whatever you want. Either you can send a message regarding our current conditions into the future part. Say nowadays we are using, because of the advancement of science and technology, so much pollution has been erased. Very recently you can witness the floods in Uttarakhand. The frozen river, which is a perennial, these rivers have their origin in getting the water source from the Himalayan mountains. So when the snow cap melts, it changes into water because of the abnormal changes in the climatic conditions. Much amount of ice has been melted and that traveled out in the form of water, and it cost us so much. Many of the people used to buried under the earth's surface because of the movement of water. On the moment, 150 people were evacuated from the given place because of the water. There's a flood situations in the Uttarakhand river. Even the dam is unable to control that. That much about the intensity of the water that has been came up. This only because of the global warming, you can say, that was taken place only because of the human activities. So you can describe any other things, you can in the form of a message to the aliens, which they can observe in the future. Can you able to do this? Yes, there were given so many points. you can describe all those points there in the given book part. You can see here, you can describe so many points. You can describe here, and at the end, you can stick your picture here. You can stick out your picture here. Okay, my dear students? I hope you can do this. Try to do of your own. This is a fun activity. This is not an examination or marks will not be awarded. Nothing is there. Just this is a fun activity. Try to do of your own and send the PDF, WhatsApp response to my WhatsApp number. Okay, my dear children. So when we meet in the next class, just we left with one more activity and then we'll go through the glossary portion. Okay, my dear students. That's all for today. Bye. Have a nice day.